Llamas. Hello. What's your name, sweetie? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? She speaks Spanish, guys. Hola. 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 So yes, the Macaw birds, we call them Guacamayas. Guacamayas in the Mayan language. Hello. Hola. 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 I heard you speak Spanish before. Hola. Yeah, they used to, in the early 80s, we could see them, coming down from the mountains. And eventually, with all the deforestation and, the increasing population numbers and, more houses being built, they lost quite a lot of habitat, guys. And now they're pretty much in zoos over there, and some of the whatever's left of some of the hills and mountains over there, which is not very much.